po kami nakapark. And eto na si Javi. Going to school. Ayan yung school nila. At maglalaro pa siya kasi 8:45 pa naman yung start ng class. 8:15 pa lang today. It's February 4, 8:16. Kaya let's go. Laki ng bag niya kasi food, crunch and sip, tapos water bottle, tapos change of clothes. Yan lang naman yung laman ng bag niya. Happy boy. May friend na siya dun si Nathan. Tapos, naglalaro sila palagi. Gusto niya siya yung magbitbit ng bag niya. So, ganito guys yung family room sa Carinap sa Australia. Merong microwave, pangreheat ng mga milk, may sink, may playroom ng mga kids. Meron pang isang play area doon. Yeah! And change nappy. At saka yan, meron dyang pang kids na toilet and pang adult na toilet. So yan yung toilet nila, may pang kids, may pang adult. And at meron ding pang wash ng mga kids at pang wash ng mga adults. So, abot lang ng mga kids yan. 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 Para independent sila. Good job, my love. Hi guys, it's February 6. February 6. Punta tayo ng Costco, guys. So, susunduin natin si Dad. Okay, come on.
So heavy, I can't even carry anything. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. Independent na kasi si Javi. Kaya niya nang dalhin yung mga bags niya. Okay. Sige. So, let's go guys. Drive tayo.
Mitsubishi's legendary 10-year warranty with 10 years cap price servicing.
Antok pa more. Nakatulog si Javi, guys. Mahaba din tulog niya. Mga 30 minutes. Mga 40 minutes pala yung tulog niya. Antok pa siya. Maaga kasi siya nagising kanina. 8 AM. Maaga na yun para sa kanya. So far, yan pa lang po yung napamili natin. Ito lang yung pinunta talaga namin dito. Tsaka magpagas. So, konti lang talaga yung bibili namin dito. Tsaka may water dun sa baba. Yun lang.
Look at. Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Yeah. So, uwi na tayo, guys.
Dad, look.
And konti lang yung napamili
Dad,
natin.
look.
Gas lang kami dito, guys. Sa likod. Hi, Javi! Hi guys, so nakauwi na kami. Yung dinner namin, lechon manok from Costco.
What's in your next vlog? That's a disgusting word.
That's lechon manok. We eat.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, tapos punta naman kami ngayon sa IKEA. Strolling lang. Hi! So, yan lang yung napamili namin, guys. Merong meatballs dito. Ayan. Binibenta din nila yan sa food or sa canteen nila. Tapos, antay lang kami ng ice cream ni Happy. Yan lang. Uwian na. 9 pa magko-close ang IKEA.
Dad.
How's your day in school, my love?
Good. Hey, Mom.
What did you do?
Hey. Hey,
Oh,
go.
wait. We're gonna get your...
I played.
What did you play?
I played with the Bluey house.
What else?
And I played with the. And I didn't play with the kids. And I played with just the house.
Just the house?
It's still boring, Mom.
It's so boring.
No picture. 11.
5 plus 5.
Okay.
10 plus 10.
11.
No, 20.
20.
5 plus 1.
6.
4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Correct.
That's what it sounds like.
7 plus 1.
8.
Correct. 8 plus 2. Good job.
10. That means 10 gloves.
10 gloves. 4 plus 2.
6.
Correct. 2 plus 2.
4.
Good job.
How about one? How about 1 plus 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 plus 1.
4.
What?
No,
3.
4 ones. That's what I. How about 1, 1, 1, 1?
1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Correct. Good job.
He can push a giant boulder block.
Yeah.